But here's the truth the internet ignored. The simple math has changed. Supply and demand is different now. Low mileage motors are much harder to find in good running condition. Have you ever pulled a motor from a damaged truck in the heat or the cold or the rain in a salvage yard, laying flat on your back in the gravel? It's not fun. The tools at the yard they give you to work with to help pull that motor are usually crappy, and you have to hope you have all the right tools. Plus, there's the time pressure. You got to get that motor out before they close. And if you can't, what do? You have to come back the next morning to get it, or else somebody else is going to get that motor you worked your tail off to get. Looking at marketplace for LS motors, dirty, greasy motors laying on the ground in someone's driveway with all the accessories gone, claiming it runs good for $350 to $750. Check out these examples. Are you really going to believe that? Buy any engine that way, build it up, install it, put it in your truck, and wait to hear if it has a rod knock on the first startup? LQ4 and LQ9 engines are not as plentiful as the more common 5.3. Therefore, the price is higher and they're harder to find. Commercial rebuilders like KLQ, ATK, and Jasper buy engine cores in large quantities and rebuild to resell them. So it makes it harder for individuals like you and me to be able to find a good motor. And if you take your new motor to a machine shop, you can remove the words cheap and budget from your project.